What's up guys, Aussie Card Collector here, and in today's video we are going to open 10 packets of the 2019 AFL TeamCoach. Once again, like to select, I did get a retail box of each and I left 10 for a video. So without further ado, let's fail miserably to open these packs. Now I think, just a quick look here at the odds. Yeah, so a Magic or a Star Wild, one in every 36 packs. So there's 36 packs that come in a retail box, and I have not received one yet. So we are due for one. Hopefully, should be, by the odds, there should be one in these 10 packs. Anyway, Jimmy Webster, Jake Stringer, got a best and fairest there, the platinum. Who is that? Jared Harborough, Jakey Stringer, Easton Wood, Liam Ryan, Jack Gunston, Toby Nankervis, and Liam Ryan. I'll try and speed through the commons, I guess. I've seen them, don't really need to see him again, I suppose. Sean Higgins, Dane Zorko, Footy Flips. Who we got this time? Jack Zeeble, Jack Zirupa. That's fantastic. Good for the kids, huh? Darcy Gardner, Billy Longer, Josh Kelly, Lockie Whitfield, Jaeger O'Meara, and Jaden Stevenson. Alright, so we should be getting a Magic or a Magic Star Wild in this. Technically, by the odds. It'd be good if I can get another Star Trophy Wildcard. That'd be good. That's in, what is that? That's one in every 360 packs. Yeah, right. But I managed to pull one. But anyway, Toby McLean, Jared Berry, Footy Flips. Looks like it's Gary Apple Jr. Got a look at that. Ghostly Gaza. Jeez, he looks freaking scary looking there actually in that shot. Yep. Stop banging the camera. Trent Dumont, Alir Ali, Kate Simpson, David Sunday Mundy, Andy Mundy, Jared Harborough, Shane Edwards. Alright. So try and keep all the cards on the desk here. Rippity-doo. Ben Ainsworth. Easton Wood, forwards. David Mundy and Michael Walters for Fremantle. Then Matty Cruz, Jack Crisp, Devon Smith, Dylan Grimes, Willie Rioli, and Josh Kennedy. Alright. Come on. I've got so many packs here because I've recorded so many videos today because I've only had really a chance to do them today. So I've got foil packs all over the joint. Robbie Gray, Billy Longer, Bax, Swans, Dame Rampy and Cullen Mills, Jakey Melksham, Pierce Hanley, Marcus Bontempelli, Jake Lever, Ben McAvoy, and Steel Sidebottom. Yes. Come on, Star Wild. Or Magic. Star Wild. Let's go. Show yourself. Cam Rayner, Cade Simpson, Mids, Jack Viney and Angus Brayshaw, Josh Kelly, Aaron Norton, who played a really good game last week. Kicked like 5 or 6 goals. David Mundy, Sava Radagalia, Zach Williams, and Nat Fife. Travis Back, Jack Zeeble, forwards are Jake Stringer and Devon Smith, and we got Vlosten, Josh Kennedy, Mad Jack Dorr, Jack Martin, Jaden Short, Dom Sheed. Alright, what's this? 3 packets left. This is a 7 pack. That Star Wild bit of show itself. Zach Merritt, Hugh Greenwood. What do we got here? Footy Flips. You got Tex, and then Tony Modra. I remember when I was a kid, Tony Modra being a full forward. And of course we got Taylor Walker there, or Tex as they call him, because of his last name. Eric Hipwood, Jimmy Webster, Isaac Haney, gold version, common version, Neville Jetta, Tom Mitchell. Alright, are we going to get screwed here, boys? Are we? Second last pack. Are we gonna get screwed? Sam Doherty, Orazio Fantasia, Best and Fairest, Elliot Yeo, got that. Paddy Dangerfield, Aaron Francis, Dylan Grimes, Will Hoskin Elliott, Zach Tui, and Josh Galley. Alright. According to the odds, this has got to be it. Unless I've miscalculated and I have, I've already got one. Oop. But I don't think I do. Alright. Need the knife for that one. Is it in here? That's what I want to know. Matt Crouch. Yes, it is. It's Essendon. No, it's a Matt Crouch. I might try and save that for the end. We've got a Footy Powers. Jeez, that doesn't like the light. Here we got there anyway. Lion, the flying. Fair enough. Oh, it's Harris Andrews. Geez, the light was really missing for there. Dougal Howard, Joel Selwood, Brad Shepherd, Callum Sinclair, Clayton Oliver. And here we got Devon Smith. Alright. Magic Star Wild. Oh, yeah, Wildcard. Magic at Wildcard. That looks pretty cool actually. It's nice and shiny. It's not bent like the other ones. The other ones are not bent but curved. But this one looks pretty flat, which is good. That's cool. I know quite a few Bomber supporters actually, so I might even try and get this one signed. And then, of course, sell it for a profit because, you know, that's what you do. But anyway, guys, if you liked that video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a video. And yeah, guys, have a good one. Hope you pull something great and ciao.